Okay, good evening, my beloved friend students. Yesterday I solved one of the problem from trigonometry. Again, I have written this is the second bit from that problem. Already I told every step in previous example. Now here already given data triangle A B C triangle APC. Angle B equal to 90 degrees. Angle B equal to 90 degrees. And tan A is the given value √3. Tan A √3. According to this problem, draw figure first. This is right angle triangle A B C ABC. According to given data, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Tan A equal to, this is tan A. Tan A, what is the formula for tan A? We considered angle at A point. We considered angle at A point. Angle at A point, A vertex. This is opposite side. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here the value is √3. That means √3 by 1. This equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? BC. Adjacent side AB. Here AB. And BC equal to √3. AB equal to 1. √3 by 1 now, opposite side by adjacent side. BC opposite side here. AB √3 by 1. BC equal to √3. AB equal to 1. And therefore, BC equal to √3. AB equal to 1. According to tan A. Here we know the value opposite side √3. This is one value. According to Pythagoras, here according to Pythagoras, what is the formula? The hypotenuse square. This is right angle triangle. Right angle which is opposite to right angle AC is known as hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse square, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Sum of the squares of other two sides. That means AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square 1 square. AB square 1 square and BC square √3 square. AB square 1 square, BC square √3 square equal to AC square. AC square. 1 square means 1 now. √3 into √3, 3, that is equal to AC square. So AC square equal to 4, 1 plus 3, 4. AC equal to √4, that is equal to 2. So we have calculated from this data hypotenuse equal to 2. Hypotenuse equal to 2. We know AB size, AB length and BC length and AC length. What we have to find? What we have to calculate? Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Evaluate this value. So now we have to find what is the cos A value and cos C value and sin A value and sin C value. Sin A value and sin C value. Cos A and angle, we considered angle at A. According to A, what is the cos A formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? AB by AC. AB value 1, AC value 2. AC value 2. Next, cos C. Cos C. When you consider angle here, cos C, what is the adjacent side? Root 3. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. According to vertices C, adjacent side root 3, hypotenuse 2. Next, sin A. Sin A. We considered angle at A, which is the opposite side by hypotenuse. At A, opposite side root 3 by 2. Next, sin C. Sin C. A considered angle at C, which is the opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side AB by hypotenuse. AB, what is the value here? 1, hypotenuse 2. These are the values we calculated from our triangle, right angle triangle ABC. Now we have to substitute these values here. Here cos A, what is the value of cos A? 1 by 2. Cos A 1 by 2 into cos C, what is the value? Root 3 by 2 minus sin A value root 3 by 2, sin C value 1 by 2. These are the values. Already we calculated values. What is the cos A? 1 by 2, cos C root 3 by 2, sin A root 3 by 2, sin C 1 by 2. We calculated from our right angle triangle ABC. Here 1 into root 3, 2 into 2, 4, root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 into 2, 4. LCM here 4, same LCM and the denominators are same. How you subtract? Same value comes here, root 3 minus root 3, that equal to 0 by 4. 0 by 4 equal to 0. Okay, 0 by 4 equal to 0. And cos A, cos C, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C is equal to 0. Again we go for another problem now. Otherwise, I will give one more problem here. You have to practice. Consider a triangle problem. Consider a triangle PQR. One triangle is PQR. PQR, right angle at right angle at R. Right angle at R. In which PQ equal to 29 units, PQ equal to 29 units, QR equal to 21 units. QR equal to 21 units. And angle PQR is equal to theta. PQR equal to theta. Then find the values of find the values of first bit cos square theta plus sin square theta. Second bit cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So first we have to draw right angle triangle PQR. This is PQR. PQR. Why I have taken like this? At R in right angle triangle, right angle at R. So we draw like this, and now we take the angle at Q. PQR equal to theta. According to this triangle, we have to find, and again they have given PQ value. What is the PQ value here? PQ, this one, this is hypotenuse, that is equal to 29, and QR is equal to 21. QR, this is QR 21, this is PQ 29. These values are given, and first we have to draw right angle triangle PQR. Right angle at R, so we mentioned here right angle, and the data given data, PQ value is 29 units and QR value is 21 units. And when you observe this right angle triangle, what are the values are given? Hypotenuse value is given and one side is given. According to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is sum of the squares of two other sides. So here you have to find side of the RPR, and the PQ square equal to hypotenuse square equal to QR square plus PR square, and the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the two other squares of the. Here PQ square equal to, what is the PQ square? 29 square, QR square 21 square, PR square we don't know, PR square. 29 square is equal to 841. 29 square is equal to 841. 21 square is equal to 441 plus PR square. Therefore, PR square equal to 841 by 441, that is equal to 400. PR equal to root of 400, that is equal to 20. And now we have calculated PR value 20. So, and PQ here 29, QR 21, PR or RP 20. What we have to calculate here, first bit cos square theta plus sin square theta. We have to calculate cos square theta plus sin square theta. First we have to find what is the cos theta value here. Cos theta, what is the formula for cos theta? Theta at Q cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. When you consider theta here, adjacent side 21. 21 means QR. By hypotenuse 29. Hypotenuse is represented by PQ. Okay. Next, sine square theta. Sine theta. Theta considered at Q. So, what is the formula for sine theta? Opposite side by adjacent hypotenuse. Opposite side hypotenuse. Opposite side here RPR by PQ. PR is equal to 20. PQ is equal to 29. So here cos theta value we know, sin theta value we know. We have to calculate cos square theta plus sin square theta. 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 Cos value, what is the cos value? 21 by 29 whole square plus sin theta value 20 by 29 whole square. 21, that means 441 by 841 plus 20 square 400 by 841. LCM 841, 441, 400, 841. So answer is 1. And a cos square theta, therefore cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the answer. Another bit already given, we have to calculate it. Second bit we have to calculate. ఓకే మై బిలాడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి మరియు మీ మిత్రులకు షేర్ చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్.